How to delete a photo comment on an Instagram post or reel. This tutorial shows you how to remove one you posted or one someone left on your own content. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. From there, open the specific post or reel with the comment you want to delete. After that, tap the comment icon to open the full comment section. At this point, find the comment you want to remove. Following this, if it's your own comment on someone else's post, long press directly on the comment. From here, tap Delete from the menu that appears. If it's a comment someone else left on your own post or reel instead, the steps are a little different. At this stage, long press on that specific comment. Following this, tap Delete from the options shown. From here, since it's your content, you're able to remove any comment left on it, not just your own. That's how you delete a photo comment on an Instagram post or reel. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!